In the meantime, the Senate passed the Respect for Marriage Act last night, strengthening federal protections for same-sex and interracial marriage. Cleo Green breaks down what this all means. Cleo?
Yes, Suzanne, that final bill passed 61 to 36. A lot of people are talking about this on social media as well, using that hashtag Respect for Marriage Act. GLAAD here behind it all, saying, hey, listen, call your senators, tell them to vote yes, retweeting the president's message here, saying with today's bipartisan Senate passage of the Respect for Marriage Act, the United States is on the brink of reaffirming a fundamental truth that love is love. This morning, I'm also seeing tweets like this listing who didn't vote for this, and that includes Texas Senator Ted Cruz and Texas Senator John Cornyn. Let's get into this and what we can expect here. Here's the deal. The bill strengthens protections for same-sex and interracial marriages by requiring states to recognize legal marriages performed in other states. It was drafted in response to the Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe v. Wade this summer. So this really marks a historic win for Democrats concerned that a conservative Supreme Court majority could overturn those rights. This comes as a sigh of relief to Senior Reverend Neil Thomas. He's the senior pastor of the Cathedral of Hope in Dallas, whose primary outreach is to help the LGBTQ community.
And so I think that for many of us who were kind of fearful following the decision of Roe versus Wade, have a sense of being able to breathe this evening, validating our relationships, and also acknowledging that, for those of us who choose to get married, that these are going to be protected and respected.
All right, now there is some fine print to this as well. There are religious exceptions, and the bill protects, but it does not require all states to allow same-sex marriage, even though that is the current reality under the 2015 Obergefell v. Hodges decision, which made same-sex marriage legal nationwide. The bill now heads back to the House before it can be signed by President Joe Biden to become law. So a lot to talk about. I'll have more comments coming up for you at about 6:30. Kara.